that Riya was poisoning Sushant, she's the murderer, and that she should be arrested, sir. How do you look at that, sir?
Well, it is a direct reference to the drugs that were being administered to him without his knowledge, without his consent, and clandestinely in his coffee and his water, etc. So that definitely is poison in today's world. So that is what he is probably referring to in that interview.
Sir, Kirti, her sister also said that why are we still waiting to take the criminal under custody?
Well, that is not a choice that as a complainant we can make. It is for the CBI to take a call, and unless they have proper evidence, supposing if they take a custody hurriedly and if she gets bail in 1 or 2 days, then it will be counterproductive. So obviously if they are doing a detailed job, I think nobody can fault them for that.
So his family has also spoken up against certain channels who are giving a platform to Riya Chakraborty for an interview that.
Well, as far as I am concerned, I don't, we have not taken a call from the family side that she should be restrained from doing this kind of a thing, because ultimately it's a free country. But I have seen a bit of that interview. Somebody told me, so I had a chance to look at it. She is actually tying herself in knots, because she is in that interview saying that he had developed some very serious mental issues in the Europe trip. Now, if she had really developed that kind of he had developed that kind of a problem, then the obligation upon her to inform the family becomes even more serious, and the family has to be associated whenever there is a mental health issue with any person. And when she talks of, he had he used to live life king size, then you have to also responsibly behave like a queen, and you just don't leave somebody who has mental health issues and dump him suddenly if such serious problems were there. When the father asked him in November that tell me what is wrong with him and I want to come down and let me talk to him, I want to know what is happening, she didn't even have the courtesy to put him through and also to inform him what is happening to Sushant. So I think by saying all this, she is really tying herself in knots, because let me assume whatever she is saying, let me assume for the sake of this interview today that everything she is saying is correct. That also will not justify her action, because if the abetment to suicide, which is the original charge, is there, then obviously her conduct in dumping him the way she did, it clearly points towards her role in this whole incident.
And some multiple hard drives were wiped off when she left Sushant's flat on the 8th of June, the same day. So it points out to a larger.
Well, as far as the hard disks being removed, that of course is a very serious issue, and if it was done one day before her leaving, on the day of her leaving, that shows that there was some planning going on for Sushant Singh Rajput, whether it was related to his planning his murder or to remove some evidence which could be used against her in future. That of course the investigation only will tell.
So
Thank you.
Almost 75 days probe is almost done by the Mumbai police, while only in a 5-day probe the CBI has come out with larger facts. How do you see this, and what's your comment on that?
Well, Mumbai police was not doing any probe at all. Mumbai police was just trying to buy time and ensure that people's memory are normally short and people will forget Sushant Singh Rajput and the matter will be buried. But unfortunately the family didn't leave it. The family is fighting very hard. The fans of Sushant Singh Rajput are not letting this matter die. So that is why now that the matter has been transferred to the CBI actually has started in the right earnest only after the judgment of the Supreme Court. So in this short span you can see so much of revelation coming. So I'm hopeful that very soon you will get some very big exposure.